Hi guys, welcome back to Gloss and Sparkle. I know it's been such a long time since I've done a face video. I know I posted a video a couple weeks ago of a bead unboxing, but I didn't show myself in that video. So it's been quite a while, and for those of you who stuck around and stayed subscribed, I do thank you. And I thank you for watching this video. So I'm back-ish. I know I'm not as consistent as I used to be, but I hope to get back into the swing of things. And yes, a lot of things have changed, and yeah, so I guess that's really it. I've had the longest day. It is like 1 a.m. in the morning, and I am just, of course 1 a.m. is in the morning, but I am just like exhausted. I probably have bags under my eyes, but I wanted to do this video and I was psyched about it, so here I am. Oh, one really big thing has changed, and I want to show you what it is. Or shall I say who has changed? So this is our puppy. This is Rocco, and he is my little baby. He won't look at the camera, but you know, that's okay. He's tired right now. He's actually a Tibetan Spaniel, for those of you who are wondering, and he's just a little cuddle muffin. So yeah, this is our little baby, and yeah. So I wanted to introduce you to him. Okay, so back to the matters at hand. Today I'm going to be talking to you about Skinstar box. This is an unboxing video, and as you know, I am very transparent and open and honest in my videos, so I'm going to start off with the fact that I'm a little bit confused by this box. So when you go on their website, it says that the primary audience that the Skinstar boxes will come to are YouTube creators. So I was like, what? How are people supposed to buy the products? Well, from my best guess, Skinstar is sort of like a PR company where they will advertise for certain brands and send those boxes to creators, and that's what we have here. So these are actual brand name items in here, K-Beauty items. So I was super excited and impressed with this box because there's some good stuff in here. So let me show you what it is. First of all, they did not skimp on this box at all. It is very heavy, very well made, and it even has the magnetic closure, so they did not skimp on that at all. So when you open it up, this is what it looks like. So yes, you've got your pamphlet inside, and it outlines each and every product that's going to be included in this box. This is what it looks like. I've actually made a couple little markings because I was very confused about how you were supposed to go about purchasing the items as a general public, as the YouTube audience. So it gives you the Instagram handles for all of these things, and I will put the Instagram handles down below so that you can find these items. And I looked up a few other places where you can get these items, so hopefully that will help you guys as well. So the first item here, if you look under here, we've got, this is the Essent Herb Tea Tree Probiotics Spot Gel in Pure Tea Tree. And apparently it has 34% tea tree oil, which is, I think, basically the amount you'd want. You don't want too much, otherwise it's going to dry you out. And isn't tea tree actually toxic if you take too much of it or ingest it? I'm pretty sure that's the case. Either way, I do like to use tea tree oil for blemishes that I have that are maybe bigger and they just show up overnight, you know, those terrible ones. That is the type of thing I like to use tea tree oil products for. So this looks pretty good. I do like myself a good spot gel. And this retails for $17.04 on essentherb.com. So the next item is this. It is the Pure Heal Centella 70 cream, a cream that soothes damaged and dry skin with Centella asiatica extract ingredients. I'm going to open this up and see what it smells like. Ooh, so it's actually a very thick cream. If you can see that there, it's very thick. It's not dripping or anything. Ooh, that smells very good. It almost smells like What does that smell like? It almost smells like eucalyptus and pine, or just like a very fresh evergreen smell. I really like that. Oh, and I can tell already just by trying it for that one little second. Even though it is a thicker cream, once you get it on your fingertips, on your skin, it starts to go a little bit lighter, a little bit more lightweight. It goes on a lot like Laneige water sleeping mask, I would say. Even though it looks really thick, once you start putting it on, it goes really light. And the moisturization was really, really nice. We'll have to see if this lasts. If the actual moisturization and if the emolliency, we'll have to see if it remains emollient. That will be the, I can't talk. No, I literally can't talk. I don't know any words anymore. Yeah. The camera goes on and I have no vocabulary. So next moving on to the items inside the Skinstar bag. So the first item is the Essent Bulgarian Rose Ampule, and this is an ampule with damask rose water that gives moisture to the rough skin. I don't know why that just made me laugh. Anyway, I wasn't able to find this on Essent Herb's website, which is interesting because that's where they're directing you to purchase here. But I was able to find it, guys, on Face Story for $28, and I also saw it on Yes Style for $20.90. So there you go. I'm doing the research for you guys. Okay, so the next item was the most expensive item actually in this box. This is the Clive Golden Ball Healer Eye Zone Ampule, and this thing is really cool. I actually saw this on my internet searchings, and this looks very, very neat. So it is a golden ball eye therapy that makes dull and saggy eyes lively. This is what the packaging looks like, and then it has this cool like ball tip to be able to gently go over the eye area without tugging or anything, and it just looks really cool. That applicator though, is that cool or what? And this retails, it's saying to get it at CL4_Korea. I don't know what that is, honestly. But I did find this on Yes Style, which I think Yes Style and Face Story, they are official sellers of these products. So they should be fine with it. I don't know. It's it retails on there for $47.41. So these are the Essent Herb Tea Tree Toner Pads, and there are 100 in here. Again, I do like me a tea tree toner item or a tea tree oil item. I use them. I wouldn't say to use them every day. Honestly, I don't know what the directions on here say because they're in Korean, but I know I'm Korean, but I don't read it or speak it. But yes. Yep, I have no idea how often it wants you to put this on, but honestly, I don't recommend using a tea tree toner item every single day. I'd either do it every other day or even just maybe once to twice a week, because you don't want to dry out the skin. If you have a problematic area, then be my guest, have at it, but you do what you want to do. I go easy on it. The next item is a black tea scrub from Essent Herb, and this has mild black tea, and this is a scrub that makes healthy and smooth skin with black tea extract. So pretty much just what a scrub does normally. And this retail, I found this on Face Story for $22. I found it on Yes Style for $17.96. Okay, and the last item in this package are the BRTC V10 Pore Cleansing Pads. What do these do? An all-in-one pad from pore cleaning to moisturizing, so that's kind of neat. I'm kind of excited that they gave us a couple different toner pads because they're just so convenient. You just grab one and go. So I'm really excited to try these. They're soaked with botanical ingredients to wipe off makeup and even fine dust clogged in pores, and the 10 kinds of vitamins fills up the skin with radiance. So what am I hearing? I'm hearing something. Ah! this? Oh, cute. They come with little tweezers to be able to retrieve the pads. That's cute. Okay. So that's our video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.